We are in lab 6.5.12 and we are going to manage user accounts. So you are the IT administrator for a small corporate network. You recently added an active directory domain on the CompTIA server to manage network resources centrally. Organizational units in the domain represent department, user, and computer accounts are in their respective departmental OUS. So, over the past few days, several personnel changes have occurred that require changes to user accounts. So in this lab, your task is to use the following information to make the necessary user account changes and CompTIA. So Mary Beans from the accounting department has forgotten her password and now her account is locked. So you're going to unlock the account, reset the password, and also require a password change. All right, so let's just start up and begin immediately. So in case you find this video to be too fast for you, I apologize for that. You can always pause this video and walk at your own pace. All right, so we are inside the lab. So let's start up right away. So we click on COP server and we select COP DC. So we'll go to tools and Active Directory. Let's see, expand this, expand CompTIA.local and scroll down to accounting and Mary Beans. Right click on Mary Beans and reset password. So the new password is going to be this. So I'm just going to copy and paste this. But you can type it in if you want to. I felt it's faster for me to just copy and paste. So so we click OK. The password Mary Beans has been changed. Okay, so that's what we want. So we'll go to MacWood, repeat same process. We go to disable account for MacWood. Okay, so we go to research dev, and what are we doing for research? Okay, so we go to Pat Benton, and we are going to enable account. Click OK. So we'll go to Andrea, and for Andrea we are going to rename, and we are going to rename Andrea to Andrea space Circle. Andrea Circle. Alright, so last name is going to be Soko. So initial plus last name, click OK. So we'll go to support and we'll go to Tom Flask and then select Janice also and go to properties. Go to accounts Then computer restrictions will be checked. Then log on to, let's see, then the following computers should be checked, and computer name is going to be support. Click on add and OK. So click OK here and we are good to go. So if you found this video to be helpful, remember to share in other platforms like Facebook and other websites, educational websites, so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Comment your questions below if you have any. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.